take a gentle breath in and release. You've just received so much wisdom, energy, and inspiration. Now let it all settle into your spirit. Feel your breath as it flows in and out, grounding you back into this moment. Notice any new thoughts or emotions that have surfaced and simply observe them with love. With every inhale, draw in clarity and focus. With every exhale, let go of anything that feels heavy or distracting. You are here. You are evolving. You are aligned with purpose. Allow yourself to open even more deeply to what's ahead. The power in you is growing stronger with every breath.